Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was building a tall tower of blocks. Zoom! Her race car zipped around it. Suddenly, the teacher clapped. "Clean up time, everyone." Mimi sighed. "Oh no, I want to play more." Her friend Leo was trying to put away the puzzles. Mimi zipped her car right past him, nearly knocking a box over. Leo looked a little sad and confused. "Mimi, please be careful," he said quietly, picking up a fallen piece. Mimi saw Leo's sad face. She also saw Lily struggling to carry a big basket of dolls. Mimi just stood there holding her car. The room still looked messy, even though Leo and Lily were working so hard. Mimi looked at her friends. They were doing all the work. It wasn't fair to them. Mimi realized that when everyone helps, cleanup is much faster and easier. It shows her friends she cares about them too. Mimi put her car down. "I can help," she smiled. She grabbed a basket and started putting the blocks away, right next to Leo. Together, they made the room tidy super fast. Everyone smiled, and Mimi felt warm and happy inside.